All right, welcome to the Amazon affiliate section. We are going to get right into it because I know that this is one of the main reasons you obviously bought the masterclass. You wanted to know what the secret sauce was to Amazon affiliate and how to start making money. So overall, I want to make sure that I give you an overview of what the affiliate program looks like, and then I'll also give you a snapshot of what the influencer program looks like. With the affiliate program, it does allow you to create links for products that are attached to commissions. I am going to show you in the next modules how to get those links through the site Stripe. And so I will show you exactly how to get that and what that looks like. That site Stripe will come up as soon as you are accepted into that program. You can showcase links on stories of Instagram. So if you are already heavily, using the Instagram app or things like that, I know they do have a link option that we will also talk about later as well. You can also send links or posts on Facebook of your recommended products. Keeping in mind, family and friends is a possibility that they are not going to be counted as commissions. That is not something that they want affiliates to do, is use it as a discount in that case. So your goal is to find people that you don't necessarily know. So sending this to your mom, your dad, your sister isn't always going to be the best option. So overall, one thing you could do, and that I will talk about in future modules here, is that you do have the ability to make Facebook pages as well. Facebook pages, you see a lot of times about coupons and deals and things like that. At least that's something that I see on mine a lot because that's a lot of pages that I'm currently in. So the main thing is what it comes down to is that if someone purchased through your link, so they click the link and then go to checkout for 3 days. If it's in the cart for 3 days, anything after 3 days, it is no longer a commission. If they are in there, they purchase it right away, you're good to go anyway. But overall, making sure that they put that in their cart, check out, and then that will get commissioned linked back to your Amazon. So your Amazon account will then show that there was a click, it will show that there was a purchase, and then it will show you that it shipped. After it shipped is when you will see that commission come up on your portal. Also, keep in mind that with the affiliate program, most of the time it is going to be a cold audience. The only time that I've seen success in this aspect of not necessarily seeing the cold part of it is basically when I go to, one of the specific Facebook pages that I'm a part of or that my husband's a part of. If he is suggesting a boat propeller, or if he is suggesting, a different camera, for the house or things like that. Those kind of things, if it's a group based on that, it's not as cold of an audience. So if you're going to Facebook pages of things that you're passionate about, let's say you're already on a boating website and somebody asks you for a suggestion on a propeller, that is where an affiliate link could come in handy as well. But most of the time, if you're posting, so for example, in how I do it with the Facebook page showing and showcasing coupons, deals, the best deals and that kind of thing, that I will touch base more on in a future module. That's going to be the truly cold audience. When that product pops up on their page, that wasn't something they were looking for. It may not even be something that they're interested in. It just has that key factor of potentially being on sale. So overall, the Amazon affiliate program is made for commissionable links. You have to bring the product and info to potential buyers. And so that's kind of what that breakdown looks like with the Amazon affiliate. Overall, it is an amazing way to start making money, to be able to post links onto different platforms, social media, blogs, YouTube, anything you name it, you can put those links on. So anything for my husband's YouTube channel with Adventure and Repeat, where he is doing repairs, if we bought it on Amazon or if it's on Amazon, I am linking those commissionable links to that YouTube, and that's where the affiliate program comes in very, very handy.